So hi students, in this video we are going to see section 2 of friendship, which is in 8th standard unit 2 prose 2, isn't it? So already we have seen section 1, so now we are going to see section 2 of this lesson. So shall we have a small recap of that? So in section 1 we have seen about Vetri, isn't it? So who was Vetri? Yes, Vetri was a successful businessman in Coimbatore. So after his father's death, what happened? His brothers wanted to split the property. Why? Because they also wanted to start their own business. So they asked to split the property. So after that, he did not know how to run the business. So he took a loan from the bank, but he could not pay the loan. So he sold all his properties to pay the loan. Isn't it, children? So after that, he led a normal life, but he always thinking about starting a new business, but he did not know where to get money for that. So one day his wife suggested to ask help from his childhood friend Ashif. So he decided to go Chennai because Ashif is in Chennai now. So that he decided to go Chennai to meet his friend Ashif. So this only we have seen in section 1. So now we are going to see section 2. So see here in section 2 what is given. On the day of his travel, Vetri boarded the train. His memory went back to his school days. They lived in the beautiful village Keelakudi near Coimbatore. Clear? So he started his journey. Vetri boarded the train. So boarded means what? Get in. So get in and the train la ஏறது. So he started his journey. His memory went back to his school days. So his memory went back to his school days means what? He recollecting everything. He recollecting everything. He recollecting his childhood. They lived in the beautiful village Keelakudi near Coimbatore. So which is their native place? Keelakudi, which is in Coimbatore. The village had a middle school in the outskirts. It is in this school where Vetri had met Ashif. The students and teachers of the school would never forget Vetri and Ashif and their friendship. They were always together in learning and playing. So in that school, in that village, one school is there. So that is a middle school. In that school only they were met. So here they refers to Vetri and Ashif. So the students and teachers of that school would never forget Vetri and Ashif and their friendship. They were always together in learning and playing. Their friendship started on the first day of school. So on the first day itself, they started their friendship. When Vetri's parents dropped him at the school, he started crying. Ashif consoled him with the chocolate and said, "Don't cry, we will play after the bell." So obviously, first day of the school, what happened? Vetri started to crying. So when his parents dropped him at the school, he started to crying. So Ashif consoled. So consoled means what? So to bring him into a comfort zone, அதாவது அவனை சமாதானப்படுத்துறது. ஸோ அந்த வயசுலேயே என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, ஆஷிஃப் வந்து வெற்றியை சமாதானப்படுத்துகிறார். ஸோ என்ன சொல்லி சமாதானப்படுத்துகிறாரு? ஆஷிஃப் கன்சோல்டு ஹிம் வித் அ சாக்லேட். ஸோ he gave him a chocolate and said, "Don't cry, we will play after the bell." So after that day, stayed together, played together and even exchanged their food. Their friendship grew stronger with time. They were always good in studies and helping each other in lessons. They also helped others with their lessons. So after that, they had become a very good friends. They stayed together and played together and even exchanged their foods, isn't it? So in your school days, you used to exchange your foods, isn't it? So like that, they also exchanged their foods. The friendship grew stronger. They are also good in studies also. One day there was a quarrel between Vetri and Ashif's families. So what happened one day? There was a quarrel. So quarrel means what? Fight. So there was a quarrel between Vetri's family and Ashif's families. So both the families were fighting. They have a quarrel. And both families stopped talking to each other, and that both families stopped to talking each other. To everyone's surprise, they continued to be good friends. There was always a healthy competition between them. So after that quarrel also they continued their friendship. They continued to be good friends. There were always a healthy competition. So in studies we have a competition, isn't it? So like that, they also have a healthy competition between them. Surprisingly, the results and the marks never affected their friendship. So exams, results, marks, and nothing affected their friendship. Their friendship continued till 10th standard. Then Vetri moved to Coimbatore and Ashif to Chennai. Ashif started his business in Chennai and settled there. So till 10th standard they continued their friendship. So after that what happened? Vetri moved to Coimbatore and Ashif to Chennai. They got separated. And Vetri moved to Coimbatore and Ashif to Chennai. So in Chennai, Ashif started a business and settled there. Vetri always wanted to meet his friend but never had the chance to visit Chennai. But Vetri always wanted to meet his friend. So he always wanted to meet his friend but he never had a chance to visit Chennai. So see the glossary. Boarded. So boarded means what? Get on or into a vehicle. Consoled. So consoled means comfort someone at the time of grief. Competition. So competition, an event or contest. Exchanged. So exchanged means give something and receive something. Affected. Affected means cause a change in someone or something. Section 3. Vetri went straight to Asif's office. As he reached the gate, the security stopped him. Who do you want to meet, sir? Vetri nervously said, I want to meet Ashif. I am his friend. The security was astounded. Mr. Ashif is our MD. Are you sure you want to meet him? Vetri hesitatingly said, Yes, I am his friend from his native place. The security said, Check with the people in the reception, sir. I don't know if you will get an appointment. So now what happened? He reached Chennai and he went straight to Ashif's office. So there he was stopped by the security. So in the gate itself he was stopped by the security and he asked. So what did he ask? Whom do you want to meet? Vetri nervously said. So nervously means what? அப்படியே தயங்கிக்கிட்டே சொல்கிறது. ஸோ என்ன சொல்கிறாரு? I want to meet Ashif. So Vetri said that he wanted to meet Ashif. He is his friend. The security was astounded. So astounded means what? He was shocked. He was very much shocked because Ashif is our MD. So he is our MD. So you are saying that he is your friend. Are you sure you want to meet him? Vetri hesitatingly said. ஸோ தயக்கத்தோடு சொல்கிறார். ஸோ ஹெசிடேட்டிங்லி என்னது? தயக்கத்தோட. ஸோ தயக்கத்தோடு என்ன சொல்கிறாரு? எஸ், ஐ எம் his friend from his native place. The security said, check with the people in the reception. So go and meet receptionist. She will guide you. And I don't know if you will get an appointment. So I don't know about the appointment. So I just go and meet receptionist. Vetri walked to the reception. Receptionist asked him, how can I help you? Vetri said, can I meet your MD? Please tell him Vetri from Keelakudi has come to meet him. So what happened? Now he went to reception and he asked receptionist. So receptionist asking him, how can I help you? So she is asking. So she is asking, how could she help you? Vetri said, can I meet your MD? Please tell him Vetri from Keelakudi has come to meet him. Suddenly, the receptionist rose from her chair. So here, rose is the past tense of rise. So the chair விட்டு எழுந்துக்கிறது. So suddenly, the receptionist rose from her chair. The door behind Vetri opened. So behind the door behind the Vetri was opened. Vetri got a pat on his back. So pat na என்னதுங்க செல்லமா தட்டுறது. So when you see your friend, you will give a pat, isn't it? So like that, here also Vetri got a pat from his friend Ashif. Finally, you found me. I saw you through the CCTV camera. So what he said, I have seen you. I have seen you from through the CCTV camera. So he said. Vetri was dumbfounded. So dumbfounded means what? Speechless. அப்படி வாய் அடிச்சு போய் நிற்கிறார், என்ன பேசுறதுன்னு தெரியல. So he was dumbfounded. Vetri gathered. No, Ashif, I never get the chance to visit Chennai. Now I have come to attend my friend's wedding. So here came is given. You should not write came. That is come. V3 verb of come is come only. Now I have come to attend my friend's wedding. So what he said, I did not get a chance to visit Chennai. So now I came to attend my friend's wedding. So only I thought to meet you. They spoke about the school days and the fun they had. Then they discussed about their business. Ashif took Vetri to his home for lunch. So they started to talk about their school days, what are all the fun they had. They started to talk about everything. They discussed about their childhood. Then they discussed about their business also. Ashif took Vetri to his home for lunch. So after that, what happened? Ashif took Vetri to his home for lunch. Vetri was surprised to see that everyone knows him. Ashif's wife said, we all know you, but this is the first time we are meeting you in person. So in that house, all the members knows him. So his wife said, Ashif's wife said, we all know you, but this is the first time we are meeting you in person. So உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி எனக்கு தெரியும், பட் திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் வி ஆர் மீட்டிங் இன் பர்சன். ஸோ உங்களை பற்றி வந்து ஆஷிஃப் நிறைய சொல்லியிருக்காரு, but we didn't get a chance to meet. So this is the first time we are meeting. He stayed till the evening and Ashif dropped him in the railway station. So till evening he stayed there in that house, and after that Ashif dropped him in the railway station. Vetri reached home and told his wife everything in detail. So now he reached home. So he reached home in the sense he reached Coimbatore. So he reached Coimbatore and he shared everything. He told everything to his wife. She knew her husband. So she did not ask anything else. So she knew her husband. So அவரை பற்றி தெரியும், இது எதுவும் கேட்க மாட்டார், ஹெல்ப் கேட்க மாட்டாருன்னு தெரியும். ஸோ தெரிஞ்சுட்டு she didn't ask anything. 2 days later, Vetri received a call. Am I speaking to Vetri? Vetri said, yes. The voice said, our MD, Mr. Ashif, has assigned a project to you. He wants to meet you. Will you able to come to Chennai? Vetri couldn't believe it. So what happened? So now he reached Coimbatore, and after 2 days he received a call from Ashif's office. So what they said, our MD Mr. Ashif has assigned a project to you. So we have a project to you. So Ashif wants to meet you. ஸோ எங்கள் எம்டி வந்து உங்களை பார்க்கணுன்னு ஆசைப்பட்றாரு. ஸோ உங்களை பார்க்குறதுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணுறாரு. அவர் வந்து உங்களுக்காக ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுருக்காரு. ஸோ வில் யூ பி ஏபிள் டு கம் டு சென்னை? ஸோ உங்களால் சென்னைக்கு வர முடியுமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு தே ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங். வெற்றி குடன்ட் பிலீவ் இட். ஸோ இதை வந்து வெற்றியால் நம்பவே முடியல. ஏன்னா ஸோ பீயிங் அ ஃப்ரெண்ட், ஸோ அவர் என்னென்னா எதுவுமே அவர் வந்து ஹெல்ப்புன்னு கேட்கல. ஆக்சுவலாக அவர் எதுக்கு போனார், ஹெல்ப் கேட்க தான் போனார். ஆனால் அவர் வாயை திறந்து ஹெல்ப்புன்னு கேட்கல, சும்மா சாதாரணமாக பேசிட்டு வந்துட்டார். பட் பீயிங் அ ஃப்ரெண்ட், he understood everything and he wants to help his friend, so that without asking anything he want to help his friend, so that only he assigned a job, he assigned a project to Vetri. So this is a true friendship. So this is the story, this is the lesson about a true friendship between Vetri and Ashif. Clear? So thank you students, I hope this is very clear to you. So thank you students, bye.